Alright, Rob Frazier here's video. I want to talk about how to use solo ads to get signups in your business, to promote your primary business, to promote your primary network marketing, affiliate marketing opportunity, your e-commerce store, ClickBank, WordPlus, all this stuff doesn't matter. So this is video 4 of my video series, how to get signups. This right here is the whole playlist where I talk about 3-Hour Cash Machine and how that's like the lead off, the tip off to this whole thing. From there, I went into the broke man's traffic plan, and then my next video I'm uploading is this one right here, how to use safelists to get signups. Okay, Rob, get to the point. I'm getting there. So, if you have followed the videos in my series, you will have seen my progression, because I didn't just join everything at once, and everything that I'm introducing here is like my progression of traffic. Whenever I made a little bit of money, I would take that money and I would buy traffic. Make a little bit more money, buy better quality traffic. Make a little bit more money, buy better quality traffic, and upgrade the programs I'm in, and systematically just kind of keep going. So here, if you have watched the videos in a series, you will know that I started with 3-Hour Cash. I added AdClick Express and Seek Global Network. Now, you'll have to go back and watch the series to see how it just starts adding on. But my last video, I ended up right here with my safe list, and that's 14 income streams. However, we're not focusing on that. We're really just focusing on the traffic. And I started here, created a little wheel. It started rolling. I rolled the commissions into AdClick Express, rolled some more into Seek Global Network, created a bigger wheel, just kept going, kept going, kept going. Then added the broke man's traffic plan, just broke person's traffic plan, just keep adding, adding, adding. Then my last video, I added the safe list, so now I have all of this traffic pumping, all of it promoting my 3-Hour Cash capture page, which this right here is the system. Now, I also shared that I replaced one of the income streams in the original 3-Hour Cash Machine. Ahmed Ali, please forgive me. But I personally feel that Lead Lightning is the better option. You can grab it for one time $7 and it's yours forever. And that also is the piece that we're going to get into today. Now, how to get signups using solo ads. I am simply going to refer you to the person who is one of my online mentors who introduced them to me. His name is Frank Calabro. Frank Calabro Jr. Sorry, he's big about that junior. It is what it is. He created this system. This system, he basically talks about how he scaled his business up. And following this training is also how I scaled my business up. And also, there's documented and proven other people, lots of other people who have scaled their business up using the same training. So, this right here is what it looks like. This funnel is called the Cash Now funnel. Now, the Cash Now funnel has two pieces. It has the Power Lead system, and it also has the traffic source that we're going to tap into. Now, when you look at what I shared so far, I had the 3-Hour Cash Machine, AdClick Express, and Seek Global Network. Going back here to this video, this was the last video in the series, and I just kept adding pieces to it. But now I'm just kind of chunking it down here so you can add this new piece. 3-Hour Cash Machine, AdClick Express, Seek Global Network. Created a little wheel. As I got more people seeing a capture page, started making more money. Then added Safe List. Well, before I go there, I'm going to just put a little ghetto drawing here. All of that traffic at AdClick Express, Seek Global Network goes back to my 3-Hour Cash capture page. All of the traffic from my Safe List, same. All goes to that same 3-Hour Cash Machine capture page. Solo ads. Now, I said Frank introduces Power Lead system. When you go through this system, you'll see step 1, fast start training, step 2, step 3. Step 1 is fast start. You can join Power Lead system for $1. Step 2, you'll see how to set up the same system, get the share code. Step 3, you'll get access to the traffic source. When people buy from that traffic source, you also make money. Now, Let's back up a little bit. I replaced viral lightning with lead lightning. If you went and followed the steps in that first video and you got a lead lightning account, all you have to do is log into your lead lightning account and upgrade to the Power Lead system. That ties this whole thing together, because now it's not so much of a stretch. You're not just joining new programs just to join programs. Everything is lined up so it makes sense. So here's what it looks like. You already joined Lead Lightning. That's basically a stripped down version of the Power Lead system back in step 1. Today we're just adding upgrade your Lead Lightning to the Power Lead system, which if you follow this traffic plan, or if you're following it, it's not going to take long before you're able to upgrade out of profits. That's what I've done. That's how I join all my new programs. I just promote my same stuff I always promote, make some commissions, take those commissions, use them to upgrade. Again, I started out promoting quote-unquote crappy programs to build up my traffic, to build up my income. Once I build my traffic and income up, I can join more high-ticket programs, make more money, less effort, whole deal. So, the training you get through this Cash Now funnel, again, it introduces Power Lead system and a traffic source. You'll go through this whole training. You'll also use that training to promote the 3-hour cash machine. It all goes back to promote this same exact capture page. So the only thing we're adding is just another traffic source. So we should already be following this plan anyway. Should already be an AdClick Express using a Prime advertising. Should already be buying advertising at Seek Global Network and sending that traffic to our 3-hour cash capture page. That builds our email list. People come behind us, join us in the programs, we make money, we take that money, a percentage, and we use that to to join the different programs in a safe list strategy. We follow that. That's the previous video in the description. I'll put a link to it, and this video is also part of the playlist, so make sure you go up and watch video 3. You'll see the safe list strategy. That all goes to promote the 3-hour cash machine. It's a pattern. We just keep adding on more traffic sources to the back end. Now, what we added on today is that Cash Now funnel. We should already be a Lead Lightning member. All we have to do is log in and upgrade. We can upgrade. It's $30 a month. You upgrade, $30 a month. Buy a couple of solo ads, and yes, solo ads are still viable in 2023. In fact, if you join this Cash Now funnel, I'll send you what I use to track my solo ads. And it's not just opt-in rate and number of initial sales. It's so much more stuff that I'll show you how to track. But again, all of this is coming from profits. I'm taking profits from the 3-hour cash machine, withdrawing the Bitcoin, a little bit in AdClick, a little bit in Seek Global Network, a little bit to cover my safe list costs, and then once I can upgrade, I upgrade in Power Lead system, and I can buy traffic from where Frank tells us to buy traffic here. And I don't send it to the Cash Now funnel. That's my only change. I send all of that traffic to my 3-hour cash machine and just line it all up. My autoresponder is lined up with these same videos I'm shooting right now, and all of my content goes to promote this same plan. Same thing in my Facebook group. So that being said, wrapping this video up, the link to the Cash Now funnel will be below. I'm not going to require an opt-in. I'm going to just have the link. I might do an opt-in. I don't know. But the links for this funnel will be below the video. And again, you should already be a Lead Lightning member. And so all you're simply doing is logging into your Lead Lightning account, upgrading, going through this training, installing the same share code into your system, and just following behind me. Because this is what I'm doing. I'm not changing. This is it. So that being said, wrapping this video up, my name is Ron Fraser. How to get signups using solo ads. Very simple. You buy solo ads, you promote your 3-hour cash system, you build your email list. 1 day a week, email your list about your primary business. The other days, email about the traffic like I do, and make money. Just that simple. My name is Ron Fraser. See you next week.